In this video, I'll show you how to build a standard shopping campaign step by step. So you start with a clean foundation, the right settings, the right structure, and the common mistakes to avoid. Hi, my name is Diocampo. I have 8+ years experience managing and optimizing Google Ads for e-commerce brands, and I'm going to walk you through the exact setup I use for my clients. First, in creating a standard shopping campaign, the first thing you will do is to go here, go click on campaigns, click here, and then create a new campaign. After that, you can choose this. You can either choose this for sales, or you could choose this so that Google won't provide you with any guidance. And after that, you would select this, and basically, sometimes it will provide you with other conversion actions or conversion goals. But for Google Shopping, of course, we only need purchases. And then next is we will be selecting our correct feed from Google Merchant Center. So first, you need to have your Google Merchant Center, and you need to link it to this Google Ads account. If you want to know how to do that, comment Merchant Center below, and I will create a video on how to do it. Next is we'll be connecting the correct one. Here's the correct one. And Google will try to persuade you to select a Performance Max campaign, but we'll choose this. Continue with a shopping campaign. For actually, this is a new way to set your budget. This is for the total budget for the entire duration of your campaign. But right now, we can just set it up for $50. Here in the bidding, if you're just creating a new standard shopping campaign, it's better if you just choose the manual CPC. And if you have if you already have conversions, then you can switch over to target ROAS. But right now, since we're just starting from scratch, we will be using manual CPC. And let's check below. Here, you will only use campaign priority if you have other standard shopping campaigns that are running. If you are, for example, if you have different targets for the standard shopping, so you will either set it as low, medium, or high, with high being the priority for Google to show. But right now we only have one, and so we'll click low. The next is we will be targeting United States. And before you proceed, be sure to select this, because if you select this, you'll be targeting people that are not in the US. Since we're targeting the US, for our promotions and for the shipping, then we will be selecting this people in or regularly in your included locations. So next is learn how to turn this on, and let's click on next. Here, for search network, you have to check this, because you'll be showing the ads to websites that may not convert. Once you get more conversions, then it's okay to click this. But right now, if you're just starting, you should always uncheck this. And next, ad group. If for this here, you could choose if you have a naming convention, you could put it here. For example, if you're targeting by category, then you could put the category name here. But right now, we'll just create one ad group, and we're targeting all the products, or we could call this all products. And for me, what works for me is I always start with $1 for your CPC, and I adjust it from there. I either increase it, or if the clicks or if the CPC is lower, then I will decrease it. But I always start with $1. As for the products, you can select actually a lot of, if you want to, if you're targeting by category, there are a lot of ways you could target that. Could also, if you are selling new and there are also used products, you could select this as well. New, refurbished, or used. And you could even select product type, or you could select even for IDs. So you could specify which exact products you want to target. But for us, since we're targeting all products, we'll just leave it as this one. And let's go to the next page. For this one, we'll be naming this as standard shopping, and then all products. Okay. Next is you do a quick review, and then you hit publish. That's it. The campaign will be under review, and after that, if all goes well, then it will be showing, and it will get impressions. Just a quick recap: we created a standard shopping campaign with one ad group and targeting all products, and we also selected the correct location targeting and the correct bidding and CPC. If you want, I'll make the next video on how to optimize standard shopping with the negative keywords, with search terms, bid adjustments, and when to split by bestsellers or margin. Comment optimize if you want that next. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone running e-commerce ads. Naz here, and see you in the next one.